In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a newsletter in Mailerlite. We'll walk through the full process from starting a new campaign to sending or scheduling it so you can confidently create a polished, professional email by the end. First, once you're logged into your Mailerlite dashboard, head over to the Campaigns section. This is where all of your email campaigns live. Look for the button that says Create Campaign or Create New Campaign and click it. This starts a brand new email, separate from any automations you may have running. Next, Mailerlite will ask you what type of campaign you want to create. For most newsletters, choose Regular Campaign. This is the standard option for one-time broadcasts. You'll also see options like RSS Campaign, which automatically pulls in blog updates, and A/B Split Test, which lets you test different subject lines or content versions. Those are helpful later, but for now, a regular campaign keeps things simple and focused. Now it's time to design the actual email content. Mailerlite gives you a few editor choices. The drag and drop editor is usually the easiest, especially if you're not comfortable with code. There's also a rich text editor for simpler text-based emails and a custom HTML option if you or your team prefer to code designs manually. After choosing your editor, you can select a template. You might pick one from the template gallery, use a template you've previously saved, or start from a blank layout if you want full control. Once your canvas is open, begin dragging in content blocks like headlines, images, paragraphs of text, and buttons. Arrange them in a logical order that makes sense for your audience. To make your newsletter feel more personal, use personalization fields, such as inserting someone's first name. These pull from your contact data and help your emails feel more tailored. When you're happy with the layout, the wording, and the overall look, click Done Editing to move on. Next, set up your campaign details. Give your campaign an internal name. This is just for your own organization and won't be visible to subscribers. Write a clear, compelling subject line that tells people why they should open the email. Add a professional sender email address and fill in the pre-header text, which is the short line that appears next to or beneath the subject in many inboxes. Then click Select Recipients and choose the groups or segments you want this newsletter to go to. Make sure tracking is enabled, especially track opens, so you can see how your audience responds. Before you send anything, take a moment to review. Use the preview option to see how your email looks on desktop and mobile. Send a test email to yourself or your team so you can double-check links, images, and spelling in a real inbox. When everything looks good, go to the Review and Confirm page to scan through all your settings one last time: content, subject, sender, recipients, and tracking. Finally, you're ready to send. You can either click Send to dispatch your newsletter immediately or choose Schedule to have it go out at a specific date and time that works best for your audience. And that's the full process of designing and sending a newsletter in Mailerlite.